Everyone, and to our respected advisor, Mr. Gary C. Hementiza. My name is Micaela Catherine A. Teclin, 11 years of age, live in Mahayag Norte, Katiban, Bohol. Today, I will be discussing about chemical change. So what is chemical change?
A chemical change or chemical reaction is a process by which one or more substances are changed into others through chemical means.
Today, I will show you an example of chemical change. I have here a lighter, a piece of paper, and a cartoon. Let's start.
When paper burns, it reacts with oxygen in the air to form new substances, such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and ash. This process is called combustion, and it results in a change in the chemical position of the paper, which is why it's considered a chemical change. Plus, it's a one-way ticket once the paper is burned. You can get it back to this original form. These are completely new substances that cannot be turned back into the original paper.
Possible case sign. New substances form. It cannot be reversed. Heat and light are released. Have you ever wondered why burning a piece of paper turns into ash? It's not just a simple change. It is a chemical change. That's for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.